and exactly along with the dotted line I am going to fold the paper from right side and left side. Once I fold the paper, they will meet in a horizontal line and create a vertical line. Now I have drawn more two dots at the down part, and exactly along with this dotted line I am going to fold this. Once I fold, it will be meet in another horizontal line. Now for your better understanding, the part will be folded, that part I am coloring the grey. So this way you can exactly see that what shape we will achieve. Now I will fold the down part also. I have already folded the upper part. Now see. So after folding along with the upper and lower line, our paper is looking like a heart shapes. Now we will turn the paper to draw. Once I turn the paper, I can't see the folding. Now in front of me, this paper will be left where I can draw a door. You can use scale to draw the door. Now two windows in both the sides. The top of the windows should be in the same line of the door. Now I am again color it white to show if I open the fold, then what will happen. I have opened the down part because I need to open. After opening, I am giving some dotted line where I will do another fold. That will create a 3D looks. And upper part also you can see I am giving a dotted line. Along with that dotted line also from upper part I will fold. Now I will show you folding manually. Look, I have taken a real piece of paper, that is A4 size, and a brush, and you can see colors of my right side. Lot of brushes I have, but mostly I need the brushes I have kept by my paper. This is watercolor brushes. These are costly one. Those who have these brushes, they can use that. Those who don't have, they can buy the cheaper brush. And the color I have kept in my left side, that is Rangoli color. 10 rupees cost. Now I have started folding. Look, here after folding we will get both the corners in one point to create a horizontal line, and it is exactly like a triangle shapes. You can understand how I am showing using my hand. That is the roof actually. Digitally I also tried to show you that thing. Now I have folded, so I have got a straight line. In my right side you can see a palette. If you have palette, you can use this. If you don't have, you can use a ordinary plate. Now I am showing you at the back how our paper looks. I have to fold from down part. 3 fingers, measuring of 3 fingers, it will help you to understand how much folding you will do. Okay, it is little bit, it is more than one scale. You can see. Now I am showing again the back of the paper where you have to draw. Yes, I have taken a scale and see what I draw. Don't skip, please see the full video. I am drawing a gesture line, so it will help me to draw the door in the middle. Look, this straight line will help me to draw the door. Draw the door in the middle of the paper. And now window. So you can see how I have drawn the door and the windows in a same line. That shows door and the window in a same height. So look, I have already made the folding, so you can understand. Now I am going to start the folding in our paper that I was showing. Look, just one folding shows a veranda, and now upper part or top part of the house. Here I will do a folding. Okay, so let me erase the line. Okay, look how I am folding. Okay, look, just one folding. Make me clear the fold. Now you see it is looking like a roof that is coming out. Okay, exactly, it's looking like a real house. Now if you stick to sticks or straw, so it will look like a bamboo that is used in our real house. So in our next video I will show you coloring of a hut. And if you have any queries related to art, please comment us. We will make a video on that. And thank you for watching.